This is the manufacturing work cell team, my group of really talented engineers that are part of VT CRO.
VT CRO has 8 design teams. Everybody uses 3D printed parts. We all want access to these printers. We're always like, hey, can I get the printer next?
A bottleneck can be the downtime for the printers. So if a print finishes and there's nobody to take off the plate, that's time wasted. We aim to solve that problem by making a plate swapper, so an autonomous print farm that can automatically remove and replace plates.
So the idea is you can add prints to a queue, it'll automatically take off the print, place it in a shelf somewhere, notify the user, and then automatically start the next print. So we have minimal downtime. We're talking like 5-10 minutes compared to maybe like 5-6 hours. The whole movement system between picking up a plate, placing it down, storing it in a shelf, picking up a new plate, putting it down, that's entirely made by our mechanical team. On the software side, we have access to like a website queue system that's hosted on Oracle servers. We have integration with Bamboo Slicer and Orca Slicer, and we also have an entire ROS network. That was all developed by us. Also, Discord integration. VT CRO, all like 100+ members are all in our single VT CRO Discord. And I think it's very important that it's super easy and accessible to use our website, like the queue aspect of it.
A system like this at a maker and consumer level really doesn't exist at this price point or at the accessibility level that we're trying to accomplish.
One of our main goals was to make this for like a hobbyist to be achievable. So this system back here costs $3,000 and anybody can build it based off the CAD and the instructions provided. I have a huge interest in additive manufacturing. So being able to talk to mechanical engineers and kind of realize my idea has been really exciting for me. We have CS majors, computer engineering majors, electrical engineering, mechanical, and then also one aerospace major. It's just super exciting to collaborate with a whole bunch of different specializations just to see what kind of project you can get. Because if you only have like electrical and computer engineering, which is what I'm familiar with, you really only get like a software with like maybe a bit of like electrical aspect to it. But this is like a full design team that can realize an actual product.